Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to change frame rate. So you can active for the timeline, go to the window and then check for the timeline. I will create for the new file and in here you can create the new timeline and we use the default, the frame rate into 30, click OK. Now, if you want to change frame rate in this timeline, you can go to the animation menu. Next, click on the timeline, and then you can click change frame rate. Like I will set frame rate to 60 FPS, and you can check again to change total number of frames. Click OK to set this frame rate. Okay, to change, you can go to animation, timeline, and then click change frame rate. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to change frame rate.